Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the distinct natures of Maca and Benjaz. We'll delve into what each entity represents, exploring their primary characteristics and unique contexts. This will help clarify any potential confusion and demonstrate why a direct comparison between these two very different topics isn't applicable or meaningful. Our goal is to provide clear, factual information about both. Maca, often called Peruvian ginseng, is a remarkable root vegetable that thrives in the challenging, high-altitude conditions of the Andes Mountains in Peru. For many centuries, indigenous communities have valued it not only as a staple food, but also for its traditional medicinal properties. Today, people commonly use maca in supplement form, hoping to experience its potential benefits, which include boosting libido, enhancing energy levels, and supporting overall vitality. It's truly a nutrient-dense plant, packed with amino acids, iron, and calcium. Benjaz, whose full name is Benjamin Lanao, is a prominent professional Dota 2 player and engaging streamer hailing from Peru. He has carved out a significant career in the competitive esports arena, actively participating in numerous high-stakes tournaments since 2013. Throughout his journey, Benjaz has achieved notable success, securing top rankings with various teams. Beyond competitive play, he also connects with a broad audience by sharing his gaming experiences through live streaming, making him a recognized figure in the global gaming community. It's clear that Maca and Benjaz operate in entirely separate spheres, making a direct comparison impossible. Maca is a natural plant product, valued for its nutritional content and potential health benefits, such as supporting energy and libido. In contrast, Benjaz is a highly skilled human athlete, celebrated for his strategic prowess and competitive achievements in the world of Dota 2 esports. Their purposes and contributions are fundamentally different, so there's no objective way to say one is better than the other. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.